Hello everyone, welcome to Dalian. Today we are visiting one of the most amazing places in China, Shanghai Square. This square is not only one of the biggest in Asia, but also one of the most beautiful. In this video, I will take you a journey through its history, its sights, and the famous fountain and light show. Stay with me because by the end you will understand why Shanghai Square is called the heart of Dalian. As you arrive at Shanghai Square, the first thing you will notice is the size. It's huge, more than 1 million square meters. That's about the size of 150 football fields. The square is open and filled with fresh air, with the sea on one side and the city skyline on the other side. Locals come here to walk, exercise, fly kites, and enjoy the open space. For visitors, it feels like stepping into a grand stage where the city welcomes you. Shanghai Square was built in 1997 to celebrate the return of Hong Kong to China. The word Shanghai means star sea, symbolizing brightness and openness. Since then, it has become a symbol of Dalian pride. Around the square, you can also see sculptures, mountains, and even footprints of world leaders and famous athletes, showing how international this place has become. Walking around the square, you will find the beautiful garden, wide walking path, and amazing view of the Yellow Sea. Now come the part everyone waits for, the fountain show. At night, the square come alive with music, colorful lights, and dancing water. The fountain shoot high into the sky, moving with the rhythm of the music. It feels like watching a performance where water becomes the dancer and light becomes the costume. The show lasts several minutes and it's free for everyone. Many visitors say this is the highlight of the trip to Dali. Look closely. The water is not random. Every spray is blended with the music. It's like a dance, but instead of people, the dancers are streams of water. Some go straight up, some twist in circle, and then suddenly many rise together with the beat of the song. See the color changing? First it's blue like the ocean, then red like fire, then golden like shining fireworks. The lights and water together make picture in the night sky. And the people watching make it even more special. Kids laugh and clap, family cheers, and couples hold hand enjoy the moment. For many visitors, this is not just a show. It's become a memory they never forget. Here's a fun fact. Some fountains here can shoot water 60 meters high. That's as tall as a 20-floor building made only of water. Imagine standing under it. It's powerful but also very beautiful. There's also a story local tells. They have the fountain show in the spirit of Dalian, full of life, always moving forward and always shining bright. And when you stand here and watch, you can really feel that energy. As the music gets louder and faster, the fountain rises higher, the color flash brighter, and the whole scare feels alive. Then at the end, all the water shoots up in one big final. It looks like the diamonds falling from the sky. The crowd cheers and claps, and for a moment, everyone shares the same joy together. After the fountain show, don't leave just yet. Look toward the Shanghai Bay Bridge. As the night gets darker, the bridge starts to glow with colorful lights. The reflection on the water make it look magical, almost like the bridge is floating over the sea. Together with the fountain, it creates an unforgettable night view of Dali. So why should you visit Shanghai Square? Because it's more than just a square, it's a place where history, culture and modern life come together. You can relax, take photos, enjoy shows or simply watch the sea. It's free, it's open to everyone and it shows the true spirit of Dalian. Lively, welcoming and beautiful. Thank you for joining me on this tour of Shanghai Square. Make sure this place is on your list, especially at the night when the fountain and bridge show bring it to life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more travel stories. See you in the next adventure.